Hey everyone, this is Fritz Westover with Virtual Viticulture Academy. I'm in beautiful North Georgia. I'm in Barry's Vineyard today. Barry's a client of mine who I've been working with for a while. He does an excellent job growing grapes, and he's got an innovation I want to share with you. This innovation, it's really nothing new. This is side netting used for bird control or bird protection for fruit. What Barry's done that's different is he's installed his side netting all the way from the irrigation wire to the top wire here before there's even fruit in the vineyard, because the problem here is deer. When you're trying to grow a trunk, this is a first leaf vineyard. I know it's hard to believe. Look down here, lots of growth. We had a lot of rain here in Georgia, in North Georgia, but we're protecting this area here because the deer normally eat that. And when they eat that, the vine bushes out, and then we don't get that trunk in year 1 or year 2, whatever year you're getting your trunk in. So by putting the netting in early, we're able to get the use for deer control, and later on, we'll get the bird protection for that. So I hope that's a good tip that'll help you if you've got deer issues.